For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Confirmed COVID-19 cases crossed a grim milestone of 10 million, while the deaths due to COVID-19 stand close to 5 lakh as per a tally from Johns Hopkins University. 51,23,312 patients have recovered from the highly contagious disease. United States, Brazil and Russia continue to remain on the edge. These countries have registered highest number of COVID cases. As per the latest tally from Johns Hopkins University, the total number of confirmed cases worldwide stands at over 10 million. Over 51,20,000 people have recovered from the deadly pandemic and have been discharged. However, what comes as a cause of concern is the number of deaths, which stands quite close to 5 lakh. The 10 million shock for the world comes around 6 months after initial cases were first detected in Wuhan, China in December. Top 5 worst affected COVID-19 countries are US, Brazil, Russia, India and UK. The United States of America leads with the most number of cases. The country has over 25,45,000 confirmed cases. The country has registered over 1,25,000 COVID-related deaths. The country is gradually reopening its businesses amid rising cases. The second hardest hit country due to the highly contagious disease is Brazil. The country has registered over 13,44,000 cases, while over 57,600 people have lost their lives to this pandemic. Russia is at the third spot in the list of worst hit countries. Russia has over 6,33,000 cases, while over 9,000 people have succumbed to COVID-19. India, on the other hand, has crossed the dangerous threshold of 5 lakh cases. The country has over 16,000 COVID-related deaths. The UK is at the 5th spot with over 3,10,000 cases. Over 43,000 people have lost their lives due to the pandemic. The numbers continue to rise at an alarming rate, although several countries have eased their lockdown restrictions. Several countries witnessed a second wave of the deadly pandemic. New Zealand, after declaring itself COVID-free, registered 2 fresh cases. The World Health Organization Director General Tedros Adhanom stated that the WHO is not sure as to when an effective vaccine to fight COVID-19 pandemic will be discovered. WHO in the past has also said that COVID-19 may become an endemic and people may have to learn to live with it.